This video is about the AI terms and tools that actually matter right now. These are the terms you probably hear in conversations about AI, but do not fully understand. By the end of this video, you're going to know what an AI agent actually is, how it connects to your tools, and your data through MCP. First, a plain analogy, then what it actually means, then why it matters for how you use AI. Number 1, the AI agent. An AI agent is the model that has a job. A regular chatbot is an employee who can only answer the phone. An agent is that same employee, except now they can actually open files and check whether or not the task actually got done before reporting back. An agent is a large language model that is wrapped in a loop and can call different tools, observe the results, and decide the next steps without a human approving each move. Here's why this matters. Once a system can actually finish a task, instead of just describing how to do it, you can hand off real work instead of just asking questions. And this is what business owners need to understand right now. Number 2, Agentic AI. Picture a chatbot answering one question and stopping. Agentic AI keeps going. Plan, act, check the results, plan again until the goal is met or it runs out of steps. The model's own output feeds back in as its next input, so it keeps looping and gets closer to the goal each time. This matters because it's what lets you walk away from a tool instead of babysitting it step by step. When someone tells you their AI is agentic, ask what happens when it hits a wall. That answer will tell you how much you can trust it. Number 3, how does an agent reach outside of itself to do something in the real world? That's MCP, the Model Context Protocol. Think of MCP as a universal power outlet. Before it existed, every AI tool needed its own custom wiring just to connect to your email or your calendar. MCP is one standard plug that any of those tools can use to connect to any AI tool. MCP is an open protocol that lets a model discover and call external tools and data sources through a shared interface, instead of building a one-off integration for every single connection. This is worth knowing because it's the reason AI tools are suddenly connecting to everything so fast. Before, every integration was a custom project. Now it's closer to plugging in a lamp. Number 4, context window. Once an agent is connected to tools, it needs somewhere to hold what it's working on, and that is the context window. Think of the context window as a desk. The bigger the desk, the more documents you can spread out and reference at once without shoving something onto the floor to make more room. The context window is the maximum amount of text measured in tokens that a model can hold in memory during a single conversation. If you go past that limit, the model forgets the oldest part of the conversation first. This one matters because it explains a specific failure you've already seen. You gave the model instructions early in a long conversation, and somewhere later it stopped following them. It did not get confused. It ran out of desk space and the instructions fell to the floor.